Okay, so a lot of you guys may have heard about the trial reels feature on Instagram, and I actually have 500,000 followers on Instagram, and I've been using it to my advantage. So in this video, I wanted to go over exactly how the trial reels feature actually works and how you can use it to your advantage on social media so you can actually grow and make more money from the videos that you're posting. And again, this is based off of my experience with 500,000 followers on Instagram, and as someone who today at age 21 has reached a $210,000 net worth, all from social media. Yes, I'm fully transparent with all my income sources and my net worth and everything because I believe the make money online space needs better influencers. So let's get right into the video. So firstly, I'm going to pull out my phone to show you guys this, but you can see here, this is my account, Fly Juggler. I post juggling videos on the internet, which is kind of fun. But firstly, what is trial reels? So you'll see if I scroll one to the right and then one more to the right, we have this tab, which shows all my reels, and we have the trial reels tab right here. Now, what trial reels allows you to do, and this is genuinely awesome, is when you click create trial reel and you post a video, it gets shown to your non-followers first, and then only once you make it a public reel does it get shown to your followers. So you can basically use trial reels to throw out a ton of different tests to see what works the best with non-followers. It doesn't punish your account, and you could just keep throwing shots on net without your main followers getting mad. See what works in trial reels and then use what's working on your trial reels to actually post specifically to followers. I actually think that now trial reels is probably the fastest way to gain new followers on Instagram because you get your videos shown to people who 1000% are not even following you yet. So just to show you guys an example of one of the ways that I actually use this, if we scroll through on my phone, you can see that right here, I posted 3 of the exact same video. This one, and this one. And all 3 of these videos are exactly the same except for one difference. We just changed the text hook on these videos to see which one would perform better. So this one just said 3-ball juggling on the top. This one said how to juggle in a minute. And this one said how to juggle in 60 seconds. And then if we look at the actual videos and how they performed, we can see this one called how to juggle in a minute actually got 80,000 views, whereas the other 2 got 10,000 or 12,000 views. So now when we go to post an actual video on my social media platform and it goes out to every single platform, we know from trial reels which one is likely the best text hook that we should actually use. And of course, it's this one right here called how to juggle in a minute. And what's cool is once you use trial reels to find that exact winning video, you can use it to post on your normal Instagram, but also post that exact same version across every single platform. And just to show you guys, that's actually led to $4,600 for me on YouTube in the past 90 days. For some reason, my TikTok analytics aren't showing up, but I've also made pretty much thousands of dollars from TikTok in the past 60 days. And if you're curious about exactly how I actually got monetized on all these platforms, I actually put together a cheat sheet that's really easy for you guys that shows how monetization actually works on every single platform and then how much it actually pays you per 1,000 views that you get on each platform. But just so you guys know, the way that I actually do this now is I use something called repurpose.io to do all of this posting across every single platform for me. So I'll leave the link to it in the description. It's 100% free to start, but what it lets you do is you can set up any automation across any platform. So the way that I structure it is I have my Instagram account automatically reposting whatever videos I post on there to X, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, and TikTok. And what's cool now is they just introduced a setting with trial reels that makes it so you can exclude trial reels. So on Instagram, I use trial reels to purely test a bunch of content. So I exclude trial reels from automatically reposting to other platforms. And then when I actually publish it to the people who watch my content on Instagram, that's when I have it automatically repost to all of these other platforms. And it makes it really, really easy and allows me to actually get monetized and make good extra money from these other platforms, which I recommend anyone, whether you're just starting out on social media or you're actually making money from what you're doing, you should do, because then you can actually grow on social media and make more money from what you're doing. So you're just getting a higher bang for your buck by having your content auto repost to these platforms. So yeah, that's how trial reels actually work on Instagram and how you can use it completely to your advantage and how to actually properly use trial reels in 2026. As always, I always try to drop the exact sauce that I actually know and that I actually use in these videos. And our mission is to use that sauce and that knowledge that I have to help you guys grow and earn more money on social media. So if you think we actually helped achieve that mission today, make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.